The Philippine Navy light attack helicopter AW-109 with tail number NH-435, together with the Philippine Navy's missile frigate BRPOZ Rizal, FF-150, shows its capability in the Rim of the Pacific exercise, RIMPAC 2020, held last 17 to 31 of August 2020 on the southwest seas of the Hawaiian Islands, USA. RIMPAC 2020 is the world's largest joint and combined naval exercise, participated by 10 countries, with 23 various surface assets including 1 U.S. submarine, multiple aircraft and 5,300 personnel. Despite the threat and limitations brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic, various challenges were faced by the participating units. But these challenges did not impede the participants in the pursuit of attaining the goals and objectives of the RIMPAC 2020 naval exercise. According to the Chief of Staff Armed Forces of the Philippines, Lieutenant General Gilbert Gape, during his virtual talk to troops, following the successful stint of Philippine Navy's delegation in the RIMPAC 2020 naval exercise, held at Bravo 3 Pier, Pearl Harbor, USA, last September 3, 2020. You have shown in various armed forces in different countries the talent of the Filipino soldiers. This will be instrumental as the Philippine Navy continues to develop and progress into achieving its vision. By 2028, we shall be a modern multi-capable naval force, responsive to our maritime nation's defense and development.